Jerry from Showtime Audio. So we have this beautiful 2025 McLaren Artura. It is a hypercar, so it is an amazing, amazing vehicle. It's here for a Rodenso Ultimate Edition package. So we're gonna do full front and rear radar laser defense. So we're gonna be running front and rear radar, as well as 3 jammers in the front and 3 in the rear. So we're gonna do 2 RX front and a TX, 2 RX rear and a TX. And then we're gonna walk you through the whole install. We'll have video, disassembly, show you what the inside of a brand new hypercar looks like, and stay tuned.
Visit our website at showtimeaudiochicago.com.